For people of Akama Oge Amanko Imeze Ezeagu Oge Amansildo and Obinagu Amanko Ngwo are jubilant as their roads will receive the much needed attention after long years of neglect, courtesy of Right Honorable Sunday Siriakos Umeha. And this is the report.
The member representing Ezeagu, the federal constituency, Right Honorable Sunday Siriakos Umeha, has flagged off the construction of Akama Oge Road, Amanko Imeze Ezeagu Oge Road, Amanshodo Ihoya Oge Road, and Obinagu Amanko Ngwo Road, all attracted by him. Speaking during the flag-off, Honorable Umeha spoke on the importance of the roads, saying it was made possible by the magnanimous disposition of the President, Bola Tinubu, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives for the good of the Ezeagu people.
We were able to attract this life-changing road to our people of Amanko Oge Autonomous Community. Today is a special day in the annals of this community. It is also a special day in the history of Ezeagu, of Udi, and of Enugu State, who have come to join hands together with the management and the staff of FEMA, and also the company whom have been awarded this contract.
Engineer John Blaze Nwoke, who is representing the Federal Road Maintenance Agency, FEMA, the supervising agency for the projects, spoke on the modalities for its execution.
Are brought from those roads into the town, and without good roads, you will not be able to transport your agricultural input. So that's why we are actually encouraging rural roads development. I think we have about 250 or something meters of this road, and then we have some drains too. But I know the length of the road is much more than that.
With stops at the various communities, Amanko Oge, Amanshodo, and Akama Oge, for the flag-offs, very elated indigents spoke on how long they've waited for their roads to be tarred to improve economic development and movement of persons.
It has been so long.
And the development when I know but I can ask it all. My community.
The political strife of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is that we have been long, this road has been on the book. And the wish I'm saying about Bola Tinubu is that the good wish I'm wishing is that thank you for remembering us, and thank Umeha for bringing it down to the earth. What he did was now to make the people of this neighborhood, this village, to be smiling. All the food items, all the everything that they have that passes through here and out will be able to come out to the people of Enugu State.
Pre-independence, this particular community has no significant government presence. Since independence, this road has been the subject of campaign. It has come by way of constituency project, and government gave the approval. This approval was made sometime in 2024. But money was not released. I'm happy to say that this flagging off marks the beginning of good things to come to Amanko Oge.
Speaking to the press after the flag-off, Honorable Sunday Siriakos Umeha highlighted the reason for the interventions in road infrastructure in Ezeagu, the federal constituency.
What we are doing, Mr. President is working, and we want to replicate what he's doing at the national level right here at our respective constituencies. Today we flagged off 3 very fundamental, impactful roads. They are the Akama Oge roads, the Amanko Imeze Amanko Ezeagu road, the Amanshodo and Inhoya roads. These roads are very strategic to our economic development and very, very important to the fabrics of our people. So that's why you see the level of joy, elation, and the manner the people have welcomed this development. Yes, of course, we are deliberate about what we are doing today because we had been delaying the flag off and kick off of this project because we want to make sure that before we start that there is a fund available for it. And the contractors have assured me that they've been able to mobilize to a very great extent the needed funds to see to the completion of this project, not one-off, but it's going to be in phases. At least the first phase will come and go, then we'll continue the next phase.